Hey there, puzzle lovers! Welcome back to another exciting brain-teasing challenge. Today, I've got a fun and visually satisfying puzzle for you. It looks simple at first glance, but trust me, it's trickier than it seems. You're about to see a shape on the screen, and your mission is to divide it into 4 equal parts. Equal in shape, equal in area, and perfectly balanced. Take a deep breath, get your eyes ready, and let's begin the challenge. This one is going to test your observation, logic, and imagination. Let's jump right in. You're now looking at the figure on the screen. Your task is simple. Divide this shape into 4 equal parts. Think carefully. Look at the boundaries, the geometry, and how the space is distributed. I'll give you a short moment. Try different combinations in your mind and see what makes the most sense. All right. Let's reveal the solution. Here's how the figure can be divided into 4 perfect equal sections. 1. Part 1. The first region fits neatly into the upper portion of the figure. 2. Part 2. The second slice mirrors the structure of the first on the opposite side. 3. Part 3. The third region occupies the lower left side of the figure. 4. Part 4. And finally, the fourth part completes the symmetrical layout at the lower right side. When all 4 sections are placed together, you'll notice that every part is identical in size and shape. The cuts are clean, geometric, and balanced, giving us the perfect 4-way division. Take a moment and observe the screen closely. You'll clearly see how the puzzle breaks down beautifully into Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, and Part 4, creating a perfectly equal distribution. This solution works because the shape allows symmetric slicing that preserves area and form. A very clever and elegant outcome. I hope you enjoyed this quick and clever puzzle. If you love visual challenges like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more puzzles, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new brain teaser. I'll be back with more exciting puzzles that will sharpen your thinking and keep you entertained. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your mind sharp and your curiosity alive.